the problem. Find k pairs with the smallest sums. So we are giving two nums array, nums1 and nums2, and we are also giving an integer k. Yeah, but we just need to return the k pairs. So k pairs are just the sum of the smallest numbers, like 1 and 2 plus equal to 3, 1 plus 4 equal to 5, and 1 plus 6 equal to 7. And those pairs are the smallest. Yeah, so inside of the array, so the first one will be the smallest, and then it's gonna be bigger and bigger. So how should we solve such problem? It's gonna be the same as the ugly number 2 are listed as the title. So yeah, if you solve that problem, this is gonna be easier. So I'm gonna use the priority queue to solve the problem. So for the priority queue inside, I'm gonna prepare a sum of two numbers. So for the first two numbers, yeah, I'm gonna use this number plus this number as the sum of the two numbers. Yeah. Oh, let me give a 0, 0, and 0. Yeah, but the sum of the two numbers, it is the nums1 0 and the nums2 0. Yeah, let's check the nums1 and the nums2. Yeah, it is a non-decreasing order, and both of them will be more than or equal to 1. So it means we can take the first index. Yeah. So from here, we're gonna take the index 0 and plus nums2, and also with index 0. So this is the priority queue. And now we're gonna use set. So for the set, it is just the index. So inside of the set, I'm gonna have two index. It's gonna be 0 and 0. Yeah. I also need a result array, so that will be my return for the result. Yeah. Now I just need to check all the possible answers. So for I in range k, I'm gonna check one by one. So I'm gonna pop out the first one. It's gonna be it means the total sum of a pair. Yeah, the sum of a pair. And let me use a and b. AB should be equal to heap. Yeah, heap pop, and with the priority queue. Yeah. Now we popped out two numbers. We're gonna check if a plus 1 or b plus 1. It means the next index. So for example, 1 plus 2, 3 is the first one. So for the next one, we're gonna check. Yeah, what are we gonna check? So we're gonna check 1 plus 4. If 1 plus 4 is smaller, or 2 plus 7 is smaller. So we are sure 1 plus 4 is smaller because it is 5. So for the next step, we're gonna pop out 1 and 4, and we're gonna check next 1 and 6, and next step we're gonna pop out 1 and 6. Yeah. So it means if we pop out a pair, we're gonna put it inside. So result.append inside, it's gonna be nums1a and nums2b. So this is the result. Now we're gonna check what we're gonna put it inside. Yeah. So if it is not inside of the set, we're gonna definitely put it inside. So if tuple a plus 1 and b not in S, we're gonna put something inside. Or if a b plus 1 not in set, so we're gonna do something. Yeah. So first let's analyze the a plus 1 and b. So for this kind of thing, if it is not inside of the set, so s dot add with a plus 1 and b, and here gonna be the same. Yeah. So s dot add inside gonna be a b plus 1. Yeah. Now we're gonna do the next. So this is the set, but what we need to put it inside is the priority queue. We need to put it inside the heap. So yeah, heap puts with pq and the sum of two numbers. So it means nums1. Yeah, let me use a tuple for the pq. So nums1 with a plus 1. Yeah, and here gonna be the same, a plus 1 and b. And let me just copy and put it below. So here should be nums Yeah, let me check. Yeah, so here should be nums1 a plus 1 plus nums2 with b, and here is nums1 a with nums2 b plus 1. Yeah, so this is what we need to put it inside. We can always check the smallest numbers. And let's check anything else. A plus 1. It may go out of the boundary because, so for example, A is at index 2, B is at index 2, A plus 1 maybe go out of the boundary. Yeah, so we need to check A plus 1 should be less than the length of nums1. And similarly, we need to check the B because B plus 1. Yeah, and we need to check B plus 1 less than the length of nums2 because B is the index of nums2, A is the index of nums1. So this is everything we need, and it is not so difficult because we used a set. Yeah. Yeah, let me check why. Yeah, list index out of the range. Yeah, let me check. Nums1. Yeah, so this is my first number, and this is my set, and this is the result, and this is AB. If A plus 1 less than of nums1. Yeah, because here I just copied, I didn't change. Yeah, because here I need to use B plus 1. So if I copy some code, I need to be careful. Yeah, because if B plus 1, A and B plus 1 not inside, we're gonna put B plus 1. Yeah, now let me run it. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, as you can see, it passed all the testing cases, and the speed is also okay. Yeah, it is just in the middle. It seems it is okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time.